Everyone knows that water extinguishes fires, right? But water is also made of hydrogen and oxygen, two things that can further fuel a fire. But why and how does this common liquid extinguish fires, rather than making them even worse? Water is composed of hydrogen and oxygen, but it behaves differently than its constituent elements hydrogen and oxygen. Water has bent structure which give water its unique properties. 1. Polarity. Water is a polar molecule. This polarity allows water to form hydrogen bonds with neighboring water molecule. These strong hydrogen bonds give rise to high boiling point and high heat capacity of water. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. The conversion of liquid water to steam takes place at 100 degrees Celsius and requires a lot of energy. Combustion is a chemical process in which substance burns and produces heat and light. This process requires three components: fuel, oxygen and heat. These three components together forms a triangle known as fire triangle. The temperature should be more than the ignition temperature. Ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which the combustible substance starts burning. Water eliminates the heat component of this triangle and put off the fire. In case of fire, we are reacting carbon-based fuel with oxygen to form a very stable carbon dioxide and water. This conversion of less stable fuel to very stable carbon dioxide and water releases a large amount of energy. The temperature of a wood fire is 400 to 600 degrees Celsius. The ignition temperature of wood fire is 150 degrees Celsius. Thus the boiling point of water is much lower than the temperature of wood fire. Burning wood releases a huge amount of energy. When water is added to fire, it immediately starts absorbing all the energy and heat around it and converts to steam. Thus a huge amount of energy produced by fire ends up being diverted into converting the water to steam. In this way, water absorbs all the heat from flame, decreases the temperature and ultimately put off the fire. Water also eliminates oxygen and put off the fire. When water turns into steam, it displaces the oxygen and prevents the access to oxygen. Thus water extinguishes the fire by absorbing heat or steam smothering.